The cicada and the fox. On a hot summer day, a cicada was singing on top of a tree. Oh, I'm so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal. Mhm. Oh, but it's too high. How can I catch that cicada? Hmm. Oh, I got this. Hello there. You are a really great singer. Your voice is beautiful, and it makes me so happy. Oh, really? Thank you. I'm glad to hear you like it. I wish I could sing as well as you. Why don't I give you some fruit and you teach me to sing? You want me to come down there? Why not? I want to hear you sing a little closer. Okay then, I will be right there. I will be waiting for you. I'm a genius. What is this? Leaves? I knew it. Did you think I'd fall for the trick? I once saw a cicada wish in a false bulb. I haven't believed false since then. No way I'm getting down there. Hmm.